Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to download and install Snapchat in your PC, laptop or Windows. So this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you'll learn how to do this. So I will guide you two ways. So first of all, you need to go Microsoft Store. If you don't find Microsoft Store, then type here to search, click here and type Microsoft Store. Then you will find this one, and after that you can see a search apps. Simply click here and type Snapchat. So here you can see the first option, Snapchat. So simply click on the gate and then it will download and install in the same time. So this is the one way, and another way you can open any browser you want. So I'm using Google Chrome. Then type here Snapchat for PC. Okay, and then click the first option. Then here you'll get the option, and they also suggested that get it from Microsoft, login into chat. Okay, so Snapchat at download, simply click on download. You can download here, you can go Microsoft Store, then they'll show you. You can see install. If you click install, then it will be downloaded and install. So I already go there and click here get. So it takes few moments to download and install. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.